What's up, everyone? Welcome back. My name is Justin, and we got another update on the Volkswagen. Before we get started, we're gonna jump. We have a little bit of footage from this week working on it, so we're gonna jump to that. We'll be right back. Alright, so you guys saw what we've been working on, and plans are always changing with this car, so we're in a little bit of a hurry up here at the shop. This has to be out by next Thursday. We got other stuff going on. Some work here has to be done at the shop. This has to be out by next Thursday, so we're scrambling to get this thing epoxied and out of here by next Thursday so we can deal with that. So right now we're sanding down the car. We're getting all the sanding done in here, and we got the lid sanded. This whole car is going to get sprayed with epoxy this week, probably early next week. Today's Saturday. The car has to be out by Thursday, so this coming week it'll get the whole car is getting redone in epoxy, and then I'll be taking it home from there. Let's see, we've been working on the hood, so we got this all cut apart. This was all rust up in here, you saw in the video, so we got this cut out. We got the new piece here that we've been working on. You can see the edges on it. So we've been working this is ready to go on there. Where we're at, this will most likely not be done by Thursday. It's probably just going to get tack welded on and it'll come home like that. So this will need to be reworked. This needs to come back up for some work. The doors, we have not got to the doors yet. The doors are going to come at a later date. You can see there's some rust. Which one is it? Yeah, this one. Up in that front corner, there's some rust up there. You can see some light. So all four doors are coming back up as soon as the shop is ready. The doors got to come up, the hood's got to come back up, and the trunk for my 69 Plymouth needs some work. Also, that has been a pending project since last summer that was supposed to get done, and then the Volkswagen came in and we haven't had time, so it's all coming back up at once. The hood, the doors, and the trunk to the Plymouth are all coming back up. The body's coming home for good on Thursday. The body is done. This whole side of the car is finished. You guys already saw that. This side, we fixed the two wheel wells, and the fenders are bolted on. You can see they're all bolted on in there. Both sides, or both ends. It's all finished up. So all four fenders are on. All the rust on this car is fixed. We plugged up the antenna hole. Some people may not like that we got rid of the antenna, but this car's not gonna have a radio. If it does have a radio, it's gonna be just Bluetooth, because I haven't listened to the radio in years. I just listen to music off my phone. So if anything, it's just gonna have a Bluetooth setup with some speakers. So that's the plan on that. Got rid of the antenna, cleaned it up on the outside. New window frames on. At this point, it's just details. We had to pull a little bit of a dent there, a little bit of a dent there. We ground down these welds. If we have time, we're gonna get to these welds up here. They just don't look very good. They're not very sightly. But at this point, there's zero rust on this car. It's 100% finished. I mean, other than the doors and the hood we already discussed. The body itself is 100% finished. The pan that I have at home is also completely fixed. It does still need some disassembly, sandblasted and powder coated, but all the rest has been fixed. So that's where we're at on this. And for the future, what's to come? I will do a video next week when I pick the car up. I don't know if it'll be here at the shop or at home, but I'll do a video when I get the car and it's all done in epoxy and it's white again and it looks really good. I'll do a video showing the whole entire car done. I want to do a video sometime in the future, I don't know when, on the price, the cost of this car. I want to compare it to my 1969 Plymouth Satellite, which went through the exact same treatment this car did, and compare the prices, because I think a lot of you are really going to be surprised at the price difference between a Volkswagen and a Plymouth, and it's not in a good way. But we're going to go over that. I don't know when that'll be. That'll be once this and the Plymouth are in the same spot together. They're not going to be in the same spot together for a while. We are currently looking for a new place. We're house shopping right now, so this car and the Plymouth are not going to be together until we find a house and get our, either it has a shop or we build a shop, so that could be a while. As for this car, I don't have a place for it. It's going to come home, but I don't have a place to work on it. I don't really have a place to store it, so we weren't expecting it to be done this soon. We were expecting it later this year, maybe around Christmas, but things got rushed because it had to get out of here. So I wasn't expecting it this soon. I'm not ready for it yet. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So I'm going to continue to try and do videos. You know, there may be some videos disassembling the pan, getting that powder coated. I got to refinish all the seats. I have all the stuff to redo that. So there might be some more like detailed videos, like interior detail videos, but as for building the car, probably going to stop for a while. The build isn't stopping, but I don't know about the videos because I don't know where the car is going to be, and I don't know how much we're going to get done, especially moving in the middle of that. So the videos could be delayed. They're not going to be weekly. I can guarantee that they're not going to be weekly. So just stay tuned. If you guys want to know what's going on, I post on my Instagram all the time on stuff that's going on, anytime there's changes, stuff like that. So I always put my Instagram in the description below. So if you guys want to keep up on that, you can go to my Instagram and kind of figure out what's going on with the car, where it's located, you know, where we're moving to, when the videos are going to be, that type of thing. So you guys can stay tuned on there. As for this, that's the end of this video. That's all the information I have for you at this point. I know it's not the best of news, but that is the information I have. So other than that, guys, stay tuned. You know, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think of this. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I think it looks great. So hopefully you guys like it too. And on that note, I'll see you guys later.